So this short highlights the longest trip that I ever taken. I went through 26 countries, and I went through Asia and Europe. So yeah, man, I started out far east in Japan, and then made my way through China. Went through two wonders of the world. So I hit the Great Wall and also the Taj Mahal on this one, and then I also went to one of the most overrated places in the world, in my opinion, which is the Maldives. My gosh. So yeah, take a look, check it out. My longest trip ever, 26 countries.